Oregano is a culinary herb, used for the flavor of its leaves, which can be more intense when dried than fresh. It has an earthy, warm, and slightly bitter taste, which can vary in intensity. Good quality oregano may be strong enough almost to numb the tongue, but cultivars adapted to colder climates may have a lesser flavor. Factors such as climate, season, and soil composition may affect the aromatic oils present, and this effect may be greater than the differences between the various species of plants. Among the chemical compounds contributing to the flavor are carvacrol, thymol, limonene, pinene, ocimene, and caryophyllene. Oregano is the staple herb of Italian cuisine, most frequently used with roasted, fried, or grilled vegetables, meat, and fish. Oregano combines well with spicy foods popular in southern Italy. It is less commonly used in the north of the country, as marjoram is generally preferred. Its popularity in the U.S. began when soldiers returning from World War II brought back with them a taste for the pizza herb, which had probably been eaten in southern Italy for centuries. Oregano is widely used in cuisines of the Mediterranean basin and Latin America, especially in Mexican cuisine and Argentine cuisine. In Turkish cuisine, oregano is mostly used for flavoring meat, especially mutton and lamb. In barbecue and kebab restaurants, it can be usually found as a condiment, together with paprika, salt, and pepper. During the summer, generous amounts of dried oregano are often added as a topping to a tomato and cucumber salad in Portugal, but it can be used to season meat and fish dishes as well. The dried and ground leaves are most often used in Greece to add flavor to Greek salad, and is usually added to the lemon olive oil sauce that accompanies fish or meat grills and casseroles. In Albania, dried oregano is often used to make herbal tea, which is especially popular in the northern part of Albania. Oregano oil has been used in folk medicine over centuries. Oregano essential oil is extracted from the leaves of the oregano plant. Although oregano or its oil may be used as a dietary supplement, there is no clinical evidence to indicate that either has any effect on human health. In 2014, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration warned a Utah company, Young Living, that its herbal products, including oregano essential oil, were being promoted to have numerous and proven anti-disease effects, and so were being sold as unauthorized misbranded drugs subject to seizure and federal penalties. Similar FDA warning letters for false advertising and unproven health claims about oregano essential oil products were published in 2017 and 2018. It was native to the Mediterranean region, but widely naturalized elsewhere in the temperate northern hemisphere. It is sometimes called wild marjoram, and its close relative, O. majorana, is known as sweet marjoram. Both are widely used as culinary herbs, especially in Turkish, Greek, Spanish, Italian, Mexican, and French cuisine. Oregano is also an ornamental plant, with numerous cultivars bred for varying leaf color, flower color, and habit. Used since the middle 18th century, the Spanish word oregano is derived from the Latin originum and ultimately from the classical Greek oreganon. This is a compound Greek term that consists of oros meaning mountain, and ganos meaning brightness, thus, brightness of the mountain. Oregano is related to the herb marjoram, sometimes being referred to as wild marjoram. It has purple flowers and spade-shaped, olive-green leaves. It is a perennial, although it is grown as an annual in colder climates, as it often does not survive the winter. Oregano is planted in early spring, the plants being spaced 30 centimeters apart in fairly dry soil, with full sun. It will grow in a pH range between 6.0 mildly acidic and 9.0 strongly alkaline, with a preferred range between 6.0 and 8.0. It prefers a hot, relatively dry climate, but does well in other environments. Many subspecies and strains of oregano have been developed by humans over centuries for their unique flavors or other characteristics. Tastes range from spicy or astringent to more complicated and sweet. Simple oregano sold in garden stores as Originum vulgar may have a bland taste and larger, less dense leaves, and is not considered the best for culinary use, with a taste less remarkable and pungent. It can pollinate other more sophisticated strains, but the offspring are rarely better in quality. The related species Originum anites Greece, Turkey, and O. syriacum, West Asia, have similar flavors. A closely related plant is marjoram from Turkey, which differs significantly in taste because phenolic compounds are missing from its essential oil. Some varieties show a flavor intermediate between oregano and marjoram.